Welcome to episode 7, live here with Sifter and Robinger. You want to battle me? Yes. Alright guys, I think the place, I just feel the ticking of a bomb. Oh, we gotta go. Let's get Yoshi. Gotta get my assistant. Let's go in the bag. Here we go. Into the bag. Into the bag. I can't. There. Come on. Bomb. See, I think the bomb says it's going to be erupting in about 10 minutes. Let's go quick. Oh, come on, let's go, Yoshi. Yoshi. What are you doing? I'm gonna get you into the bag. Sorry about that laughing noise. Oh, I don't know if Yoshi could fit. Sorry about that other laughing noise. Come on, Yoshi! Yoshi! Okay, you don't have to go in this bag. Hey, no fair. Take your ghost with you. Sorry about that laughing noise. This is like a laughing noise the whole episode. Come on, let's go, Yoshi. Sorry about that knocking noise. Here we go. Guys, we're all gonna go in the bag. Oh, not the bag again. Sorry about that laughing noise. Here we go. This is a good one. Yeah? Wait, no. Sorry about that other laughing noise. Sorry about that laughing noise again.
Evan. You have to switch it off.
Here we go.
No, make one.
No, I need
Then you have to switch it off because your battery's on.
No, because he's filming. He's very still.
Okay.
The episode.
So. Sorry about that laughing noise. Stop it. Oh, we go. Ooh, look around here. Sorry about that singing song. Whoa! Tornado!
I don't want to start!
Phew.
Why don't you tell Nana?
Hey, look at that person. Who is it?
No!
Bring water. Hey, look at that person. Oh, we gotta go. They're humongous.
Evan, get it done. Get it done. How are you?
Yoshi!
Yeah, thank you.
Shut up, Yoshi. Here we go. Going through the doorknob of the car. Oh, it's gonna explode soon. Hurry, hurry.
Gabby.
Duh.
How are you doing? Good, good.
Phew. go. Yoshi! Will you shut up, Yoshi? Sorry about that song. Okay! Sorry about that, okay. Nancy, this is one of the worst episodes we have. Sorry about that laughing noise. Oh my gosh, again! Even worse than Yoshi.
Shut up, Papa, please. If you don't,
It's funny.
if you don't get quiet, we're not gonna do this stuff. Or you know what?
Funny.
Oh yeah. Hold on.
Oh, let's get the seatbelt on.
Bye, Nana. Bye, Papa.
Bye. Okay. We're going. Yep. Okay. Let's just wait until we get away from this bomb erupting place. What? Sorry about that noise. Again, oh my gosh. Worst episode ever.
You got the toy of it?
Yep. I have it. Why did you go this way? There's the other way. You're going the wrong way. It's frozen.
Daniel, why don't you pause it and then start it up again near home? People, this is a kind of boring thing to watch.
Whoa, where are we?
You don't want the whole drive.
I don't know how.
Oh, stop it, just stop it.
I know how.